So let's try to generate an image in Dream by Wombo app. So basically, just tap plus, and I can select a style. I can select some prompt, and then I can also add an image. But let's just try to select and see if it's possible to do without bugs and glitches and all of that. Let's just see. So it just takes a lot of time while it shows this creating option. So let's just explore. So I'm still waiting, and usually if it shows that much of creating image, then it just shows this like error failed to generate art. Please try again. So I can tap retry to do that, and then again I will just wait. Usually I don't know if it will actually solve the issue in fact. So let's just say again, usually this error will just continue, or maybe not. So for me, as you can see, if I just tap retry, I can see at least some observations, and let's see if it completely finishes. What else I would suggest to fix this problem is try different category, like different design style, and try to a bit change your prompt. So finally, this works now. So as you can see, I solved this error just by tapping again and waiting a bit. But like as I noticed in my experience, like some styles for some prompts are more like intensive for these AI algorithms, and therefore they take more time. So if you enter in like 3 prompts or like 3 different words and selecting some style like psychedelic or something, it just will fail all the time. So just try another style or less prompts or just something like that, and maybe that task will be easier for algorithm or easier for AI model. So just keep trying. It's nothing to do with the speed of your Wi-Fi or how old your phone is, or maybe it's faster on your phones. But yeah, I don't know how exactly that works. But just in my experience, either retry a few times with your original prompt or try different prompt and different style. Also, because there was like a spike of users, this app was really inaccessible and unusable for a few hours. And you can just try to use this app like later after a few hours, or try to use this app outside of like working hours in United States. So if so just Google US Eastern time, and usually these apps are like spiking in US during 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time. So outside of these time slots, for example, if it's morning in US or like evening in US, you can try to do that. And maybe on work days, there is a lesser load on these top apps. Again, because this app was like #1 in overall app store. So it has I've seen in that Discord, it has like hundreds, thousands of users on the same time on their app. So servers were not working correctly. So yeah, that's just my observations. If you have some other suggestions, just leave them in the comments below.